Hi guys, my name's David Bailey. I'm a life coach and a hypnotherapist, and I'm doing a workshop, The Keys to Your Mind, Learning Self-Hypnosis to Enhance Creativity and Intuition. We're going to be teaching a very powerful and simple process where you can gain access to your unconscious mind and begin to develop a space inside your mind to think with more clarity, more clearly, gain perspective on your perspective, on the problems, the questions and issues that are important to you, so you can make better choices, better decisions, carry out better actions when it counts, when you need it the most. This is a skill that can be enhanced with this process, learning to trust yourself, learning to make the right choices at the right time. Because often we know the right thing to do, but we don't listen because we're so caught up in stressful thinking and the noise and chatter of the mind. This process will allow you to quieten that noise down, to access an altered state of consciousness whereby you're able to think with more clarity, to make those choices that are really going to enhance and improve your life. Not only that, but we're going to be teaching you a process to actually learn about being more creative, being more spontaneous, coming up with more ideas. Because again, this is a skill that you can learn. This is like a bicep curl for the brain, and it's something that has got great results for the people that have already done it. I used to teach this at the University of London, and it was a very, very popular course there. If this sounds interesting to you, then click on the link below where you can find more information and buy your tickets. Thank you for watching.